You may have heard of meal kits, but what if you don't know what they are or how you get them? Let's find out on Feed My Curiosity. The COVID-19 pandemic has truly changed the way we normally live our lives. Over the next little while, we'll have to resort to spending as much time as possible at home in order to maintain social distancing with others. That means the way we purchase and consume food has also changed. Grocery store trips are strictly regulated more than ever, and most fast food and other restaurants offer a variety of services including delivery and keeping drive-thru pickup open. Meal kits is another food-related service people are turning to for meal options. If you're used to going out to the grocery store and you've never gotten a meal kit before, you might be wondering, what in the world is a meal kit? Today on Feed My Curiosity, we will investigate that very question. We will look into what a meal kit is and how a meal kit service works. Then we will look at some of the popular meal kit services. Before we make you feel hungry, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date with us and help our channel grow. Simply put, a meal kit is a box that contains all the ingredients you need to prepare your meal. Meal kits are usually offered through subscription-based services or picked up at a grocery store. In a subscription-based model, customers choose their meals and their portions. The meal kits are then delivered to their door with the instructions on how to prepare the meal as well as all the ingredients they need to cook. Meal kits have a reputation of saving people a lot of time in food preparation, which is why it's liked among very busy people with very busy schedules. Meal kits are also good with beginner chefs wanting to grow their culinary artistry, as well as expert chefs looking to expand their recipe repertoire. Things have gone a long way since Kiki Theander launched Middagsfrid in Stockholm in the year 2007. One of the first meal kit services aimed at achieving delicious home-cooked meals without worrying about grocery shopping. There are currently multiple meal kit services operating around the world, and now seems to be a great time to jump into meal kits if you've been itching to try it. Here's some notable ones to check out. Hellofresh is one of the most popular meal kit companies. The German-based company is very prominent in America and also has a 95% delivery reach in Canada. Their meal kits usually take 30 minutes to prepare. Although their packaging is 100% recyclable and biodegradable, you just need to be prepared to clean up a lot of it. Chef's Plate is another popular choice for meal kits. They allow customers to build their own kit and are also very good for providing meals that take 15 minutes to prepare. That's half the amount it takes to prepare a dish from HelloFresh. And that's a reason why a lot of people with time constraints like Chef's Plate. Then you have Good Food, a Montreal-based company known for providing meals with low carbs as well as having a wide selection of smoothies to choose from. If you're a smoothie lover and you're looking for different kinds of ingredients to mix in a blender, Good Food could be a good choice for you. Finally, Cook It, another Montreal-based company, has packaging that is very easy to manage. They also allow customers to order for up to 6 people compared to other services that only offer for up to 4 people. Cook It offers a pantry selection so you can add staple foods to your order if you wish. As you can see, there is a wide variety of meal kit services for you to try. Which service is the best for you depends on which service fills your needs the best. You'll also need to consider the downside of meal kits in general, like the costs and the packaging. If you want to go down the meal kit route, just be sure to budget yourself and not spend too much, especially during a time like this. And be open to the dishes you try. The new culinary skills and recipes you pick up while trying meal kits will absolutely be worth your time. Have you tried meal kits before? And if so, what's your favorite service? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, thank you for joining us on Feed My Curiosity.